Hey everybody, so I have a fan here that hasn't been blowing air very well. The whole thing actually is pretty dirty. So yeah, we're gonna clean it out and I'll show you how to take these things apart. Okay, so I will show you how to take apart this guy. So I've laid it down, unplugged it, which is always what we wanna do when we're working on anything electrical. This one's fairly simple. It's got a little hook at the top here and these little tabs. There's two on each side. One here, and I can just lift this up and off. So taking out this little nut that's in the center here, it actually says on here, tighten, turn that way, loosen, turn this way. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it that way. You can just lift the fan blades right off. If you wanna get this back piece here off, this nut will just spin right off. Set that aside and this piece comes off. So we can clean this piece separate from everything else. When you're putting it all back together, there's usually little holes that line up. This guy has 3 holes that line up to show you which side goes to the top. If it doesn't have anything like that, which it should, remember that this handle piece here, and it's different on every fan, but this piece goes to the top. So put that on there. You put this nut back on there. Put this fan blade back on here. Tighten up this nut. Remember, it's reversed thread. So spin this backwards. Tighten that. Don't make it too tight. It is just plastic. Also, when you're cleaning these fan blades, don't be too rough with them. They're plastic and they can break. So putting the top back on, we'll just hook this top piece in. On this one, there's not really identification marks as to which part sits up, which sits down. I just put it so this guy is pointing straight up because that's where it was before. And we can tighten these 4 little clamps that are on here. And that's it. So yeah, that's how you clean this type of fan. Every fan seems to be a little different. Some will have a screw in the bottom or the top, but essentially they're all the same. Most of them actually have these little clamps somewhere along the outer edge, but yeah, pretty easy. Now my fan's good. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.